Guys, come here.
Wings are here.
What, Mirha?
What is there?
Water.
Water.
It's raining.
This one is super wet. Ah.
Oh my god.
My hand is too wet.
Oh, your hand is too wet, Mirha. Show me if you guys have some roses in your garden.
But this bottle is here.
This bottle is wet?
Here and there.
Boy is showing me something. What?
My hand is so wet.
Oh, roses. What is this color though?
Pink.
Oh, the pink roses. Do you have any white roses too? Or yellow? These are white? Yeah, these are white, but these are not roses, Mirha. These are flowers, crazy. These are not roses.
Wow. This one can really spin. This
Mm.
one is going. When this went. Whoa. It's still cleaning.
I have always told you not to touch electrical appliances. This is electrical appliance. It's wet already. Don't touch it. Let's go. Show me the rose if you have. This is white, but it's not rose.
It's a
These
flower.
are just flowers. I want rose.
Rose here, the rose.
It's red, but it's not rose. This is rose. Yes. This is white rose. No.
It's like rose, but it really
Is it white or yellow?
And it looks white and yellow.
It looks white and yellow. This is banana plant.
You're gonna do it. Mama, so many bananas.
Yes.
Banana tree and pick some bananas for it to eat. Pick some chilies off and eat them to walk.
Oh my
And I'm gonna be really big.
You are right, Mirha.
Not chilies, bananas.
We don't need to go to market. We can pick bananas from here, from our garden.
Papa, most of the plants are wet.
Yes, all the plants are wet.
No, some of them are dry.
Which one?
Let me show you. Come on. And this one. Dry. This one is clean. Clean and nice.
This one is clean and nice.
Yes. Mirha! This pudding, what is doing up there?
Show me. Oh
Yes.
God, Mirha, you have destroyed your dress.
Mirha, Baba, I can see you. Beep. Baba.